In this video, we're going to show you how to make chocolate. So you're going to take your cocoa beans, put them in a bag, and roll them out with a dough roller. Next, you're going to take out your cocoa beans, and then you're going to start shelling them. Then add in 2 cups of sugar and blend well. You should also add 6 tablespoons of cocoa butter to give it a good consistency. We decided to put in 1 capful of vanilla extract for a little bit of a vanilla flavor. After it has this consistency, you can pour it into a mold. And make sure to tap the mold lightly to get out the air bubbles. Thank you for watching. We hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe.